This isn't a traditional chapel, but it carries the same quiet reverence. A once simple structure is now a moody, introspective retreat, wrapped in aged wood, stone, and deep, earthy tones that invite calm and contemplation. The chapel in this project is not a literal place of worship, but it exudes the quiet reverence of one. Once a simple country structure, the home was transformed under Sean Anderson's direction as interior designer into a sanctuary of calm and introspection. He preserved the bones of the building, allowing the architecture to breathe and speak for itself, while introducing a palette and materials that evoke depth and age. The interiors are intentionally subdued, wrapped in a moody blend of matte blacks, earthy neutrals, and natural textures like aged wood and stone. There's a sense of silence built into the space, almost cinematic in its stillness, which reflects Anderson's ability to create environments that feel emotionally grounded. Every room in the chapel project is curated with an eye toward patina and history. Anderson often integrates antique pieces with contemporary furnishings in a way that feels completely unforced, creating a visual dialogue between old and new. The furniture tends towards solid, sculptural forms, often in dark tones, while the lighting is soft and deliberate, creating pools of warmth against otherwise shadowed walls. What stands out most in the chapel project is how the space functions less as a showplace and more as a retreat. It's designed not for entertaining or display, but for reflection and presence. Anderson's approach favors emotional resonance over spectacle. Textiles are heavy, inviting touch. Art is sparse but impactful. Walls often appear bare but are deeply considered. sense that every inch of the space has been quietly labored over to ensure it contributes to the overall narrative, one of solitude, serenity, and depth.